What's up everybody, it's Christian from Lockdown Security. Today we're bringing you a video on this 2014 Audi A4, but it is manual. So pretty cool, pretty rare. I haven't seen very many of these, but we'll take you through a walkthrough of the upgrades that we've done to this vehicle. So jump in, I'll show you what we did. Obviously older vehicle, doesn't have Apple CarPlay, anything like that. So we've changed that. We've added a backup camera, a front parking camera, and Apple CarPlay. So as you can see, OEM look, OEM feel. Actually, the radio itself is OEM. To hear anything out of the interface that we've installed, you have to set your source to aux in, external audio input. So make sure that is enabled. So essentially what you're having is there's two radios. There's the Apple CarPlay interface and then your OEM radio. So now, with all these OEM buttons, which one do you press to go into Apple CarPlay? It's the media button. Press and hold, and there you go. So, as if you were driving a 2026 Audi A4, turn on your Spotify, Apple Music, your whatever it is you use for your streaming. So it increases comfort as well as safety in terms of if you put it into reverse, there's your rear camera. If you're parallel parking, you know, you're gonna need to shimmy a couple times. Take it out of reverse, front camera comes on for about 7 seconds. Reverse will obviously trigger reverse again. You take it out of reverse, it'll go to the front camera again for about 7 seconds, and then it'll go back to the screen that you were on. And again, because you still have your OEM radio, you decide not to use Apple CarPlay, that's fine. Hit the radio button, change your source to the radio, and you're back to your Audi OEM radio. My favorite part about this install is if you press and hold the back button, it enables the front camera. Also, you can actually use the OEM wheel to scroll through your Apple CarPlay without having to use the wheel in the middle. So whichever one you prefer. The click is cool too, but this works as well. Just so then both hands on the wheel type of thing, right? Let me see if I can tell Siri to navigate me to Home Depot. There you go. Shows up Home Depot. And it'll navigate us to Home Depot. All from the comfort of your steering wheel. Unfortunately, this screen is not touchscreen, so it's just literally just a screen. But it's cool that it's integrated into the OEM radio. We also did a BlackVue Dashcam Elite 10 to record any incidents. It's in 2-channel trim, so it's front and back. So knock on wood, something happens behind you, at least you have it on video. Comes with the Wi-Fi app as well, so you can directly download the footage directly to your phone. If you have any interests in any of these products, feel free to reach out. We'll be more than happy to help you guys. LockdownSecurityCanada.ca if you have any further questions. We'll see you on the next one.